You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this medical condition. If you want to learn more English and medical vocabulary, stay tuned until the end. We've got tons more coming up for you. Very confusing. English pronunciation, British English, synovitis. Synovitis, American English pronunciation, synovitis. Synovitis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.